Hey guys, so hey YouTubers and hey my fans, if I do have fans, I don't know. So hey guys, today we will be doing an interview. So today we will be doing something that's not really related to what I usually do on my channels, but we're gonna be doing an interview. So basically this interview is about members and non-members. Members and non-members because in Animal Jam I've noticed that usually members, they like to be in charge and take over, and because they're everything, they're members and non-members, so they have a bigger priority. So let's start the questions. I'm gonna be saying, okay, so I'm gonna ask Darling first. Darling, why do you like being a member? Why do you like being a member? So this is one of the questions that I like to ask the most for members. Why do they like being members? Because I get awesome stuff. Okay? Duke. Would you like to be member? I'm gonna ask Duke. Would you like to be member? So Darling says that she likes to be member. Okay. And so both of them, so Darling likes to be member and Duke would like to. Now, let me ask for my BJ. Oh, nice. Okay, so, Darling. How did you convince your parents? How did you convince your parents to make you a member? How did you convince your parents to make you a member? So this is also a very interesting question because I want to see how they convinced their parents to become a member. It was next after Christmas. I got it. Oh, nice. Darling, now that you are a member, do you think you are better than non-members? So this is also one of the most interesting questions that I also like to ask. Darling, now that you are a member, do you think you are better than non-members? So, Darling, do you think you are better than non-members? I'm gonna ask. Darling, do you think you are better than non-members? Okay. So, I want to see what they answer. And this interview I decided to do because, I wanted to see what different perspectives. So, Darling, do you think you have more, kind of, and I don't want to be mean. So yeah, I knew she was going to say that. Members always think they have a higher priority than non-members, and that should stop. Okay, Duke, how do you feel being non-member? No, oh, and you're probably wondering what the purple penguin over here is. Who is she? She's one of my friends. She just wanted to be in the video. She's one of my like fans. So a little sad though. Do you think members can be mean? So usually members, when they become member, they think they have more freedom and they can do whatever they want. But I really want that to stop. So if you're listening to this video, if you're a member, please stop. Please stop being mean to non-members because, I mean, you have the same priority. Just that, like, okay, so, Duke. Darling, who do you think is meaner? Who do you think is meaner? Members or non-members? So, I'm just going to ask this question. I don't know, maybe both. Okay. Well, thank you guys for your support. Okay, so I hope you guys learned a little more about what the different sides of perspective about a non-member and a member. I really think that if you are a member, you should stop being mean and thinking that you are higher priority because basically you're the same thing. So bye guys. Bye YouTubers, and see you next time. If you have any questions or any advice or tips or tricks that I can use in my other videos, please comment down below and you might get a shout out. So bye. Bye guys. Bye.